Hi, welcome to my channel Yanam Takshasila. In this new video, I am going to solve a mathematical problem under algebra of complex numbers. So the problem is find the modulus and amplitude of the complex number 1 minus I by 1 plus I. Now to find the modulus and amplitude of a complex number, first you should need the complex number in a plus ib form. But here the given problem is in fraction mode, that is numerator by denominator. So first we have to convert this fraction into a plus ib form. How to do that? You have to multiply this with conjugate of the denominator. So what is the denominator here? Denominator is 1 plus I. So you have to multiply with conjugate of this denominator. So conjugate of denominator is 1 minus I. So you have to multiply this fraction, that is numerator and denominator, by 1 minus I on both sides. Solution. Now for this we should remember two formulas. First one is, we know that I square, because it is in complex numbers, I square value is minus 1, and also you should remember a plus ib into a minus ib equal to a square plus b square. Now we'll go to the problem. What is the problem here? It is given. So we will denote this complex number by z. So z equal to 1 minus I by 1 plus I. So as I told you before, I want to convert this fraction into a plus ib form. So for this you have to multiply with and divide with conjugate of this denominator. So next 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I. So multiply here. So 1 minus I into 1 minus I. So each one multiply. So 1 into 1, 1 jar is 1. So 1 minus I. Now minus I into 1 minus I. Now minus into minus plus I square, I into I square. So I square we are writing. Now 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Now we use the above formulas. So as I told you before, I square equal to minus 1. So that I write here in the numerator. So 1 minus I. So minus I it will be minus 2I. Now plus I square means minus 1 by. Now here in denominator, a plus ib into a minus ib. What is there at right hand side? A square plus b square. What is a here? A is 1. So 1 square plus b square. What is b here? B is minus 1. So minus 1 square is, that is 1 square. We will write minus 1 whole square. Now this will be z equal to, now this plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We will get minus 2I by 1 square is 1 plus minus 1 square is also 1. So we can write this minus 2I by 2. So cancel up, upon cancelling we will get z equal to minus I. Now I write this z equal to minus I as, because I want to write this in a plus ib form. So 0 minus I. So real part is 0, imaginary part is minus 1. So here, so which is of a plus ib form. So here what is a here? A value is 0, b value is minus 1. B value is minus 1. Now we'll come to this modulus. So first we'll find the modulus. What is the modulus formula? So modulus of z is square root of a square plus b square. So that is, what is a here? 0. 0 square. What is b? Minus 1 square. So we'll get 0 plus 1. So say square root of 1. What is square root of 1? That is 1. So you got modulus z is 1. Then second part, you need to find amplitude. What is the amplitude formula? Amplitude equal to tan inverse of b by a. Tan inverse of b by a. What is b here? B value is minus 1. So tan inverse of minus 1. What is a value? A value is 0. So tan inverse of minus 1 by 0. That means what? Can you divide 0? So no, you can write this as tan inverse of infinity. So this is how we will find the modulus and amplitude of this given complex number. Now if you want to do problems of this kind, I have given a link in the description. Please click on that link. And these videos are particularly useful to polytechnic and engineering students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching.